Good morning to one and all. I am Shubhangi Gundane from Mechanical Engineering Department, and now we study about the computer integrated manufacturing system. This computer integrated manufacturing system has a practicals in university list is introduction of the SIM, introduction of NC, manual part programming on lathe, manual part programming on milling, manual part programming by using subrouting and CAN cycle, part classification and coding using GT, study of FMS, study of CAPP system, study of different quality measurement tools, assignment on implementation of the SIM in industry. So these are the list of the 10 practicals which is given by the university, and out of this 10 practical we have to conduct 8 practical. But we are performing a 9 practical that shall be performed, and that 9 practical in the sense of OBE. In NBA system or NAC system, one practical is added or one practical has have two changes. So therefore we add one practical, that is a introduction of the SIM. We are taking with respect to the product development cycle and SIM cycle. Introduction of NC, it is designed with respect to the basic component classification, manual part programming on lathe, manual part programming on milling, part classification and coding using GT, study of FMS, study of APP. In that we are study the retrieval and generative system, the study of different quality measurement tools, and assignment. One of the case study you should taken with respect to the industry and written in your blank pages which is attached to your journal. So now we start with our practical, that is the practical 1. So practical 1, it is an introduction to the SIM. So the aim of the practical is introduction to the SIM, in which we are study the product development cycle SIM. And with respect to the practicals CO, it is a CO1. The objective of this practical is to provide the proper interfacing between the theoretical aspect. The above experiment is done in 2 parts. That is part 1 including the background theory of the SIM system, and part 2 that actual visit of the industry or any one case study of the industry which is related to the product development and SIM will be practically applicable. So part 1, this will cover the following points: introduction of the SIM, evaluation of the SIM, segment of the SIM, that is computer aided design, computer aided manufacturing, and computer control business functions. So part 2, this is cover a report writing on the industrial explanation of the system, pointed and commented. It should include company profile, product, market share, turnover, number of employees, etc. The study should contain the layout of the company, manufacturing flow diagram, information processing cycle, and SIM module which implemented by the company. So detail of the part 1, that is the introduction of the SIM. The SIM involves a fundamental strategy of integration manufacturing facilities and system in an enterprises through the computer and its peripheral. The SIM can be defined in different ways depending upon the applications. The SIM involves the integration of advanced technology in various functional units of the enterprise in an effective manner to achieve the success of the manufacturing industry. A deep knowledge and understanding of all the technology is required for an effective integration. At first, the integration of advanced manufacturing technology, that is AMT, is required to get success in the application of the SIM. The computer as a sub-coordinator to the technology. The computer helps organize and restore the information in order to achieve the high accuracy and speed. Their basic aim is to achieve the goal of the objective within the limited available capital. Traditionally, all the efforts were focused on achieving the single goal to improve the effectiveness and competitiveness of an organization. But they failed because they didn't satisfy the overall objective of the manufacturing companies. So evaluation of the SIM. Dr. J. Harrickson Jr. introduced the concept of computer integrated manufacturing in year 1973. He demonstrated the integration approach is an enterprise, keeping in the mind that the current and future market trend for customizing product in order to stand in competitive edges overall, virtual organization are used and very important weapon. Hence, in order to achieve the cooperative goal and objective, integration approach is required for the customer as well as suppliers. The segment of the SEAM. The computer-aided design, computer-aided manufacturing and the computer control business functions. The computer-aided manufacturing is the effective use of the computer technology in manufacturing planning and control is known as a computer-aided manufacturing system. The manufacturing engineering functions such as process planning and numerical control are included in CAM. The application of the CAM is divided into two categories, that is manufacturing planning and manufacturing control. So this is the diagram which is related to the scope of the SEAM. The scope of the SEAM, this middle portion is known as a factory operation, and these factory operations are integrated with four functions, that is the business function, design, manufacturing planning and manufacturing control. And these four segments are very important with respect to the scope of the industry. And these three functions, that is design, manufacturing planning and manufacturing controls, are included the scope of the CAD/CAM, and whole are included the scope of the SEAM. So this is the wheel which can be explained with respect to the SEAM wheel. So factory operations can be correlated with respect to the product business function, and that business functions can be included marketing, sales, order, entry, customer billing. The product design can be included product development, enterprise drawing, bills of the material. The manufacturing planning include process planning, master scheduling, requirement planning, capacity planning. And manufacturing control can be control, the shop floor control, quality control and inventory control. And in this way the whole systems can be worked with respect to the coordination of each other, and each operations can be performed with respect to the factory operation and output which can convert the raw material into the finished good that can be supplied to the customer. So this is the overall diagram which is related to the CASCA or SEAM wheel. The scope of the computer integrated manufacturing. The following are the included system approaches. That is, the objective of the system are determined, the structure of the system and set the defined structure boundaries. Significant component for a system are determined. A detailed study of components is carried out. Analyze the component are analyzed into the system. On the basis of performance criteria, predetermined system is evaluated. For continuous improvement, step B and step F are continuously repeated. So thank you.